Hello and welcome to our Paper Your Creativity series. Today, we're going to create these 4 super cute mini Valentine's Day cards. And for that, we're going to use our Hugs and Kisses scrapbook kit and some of the paper add-on on the kit. This collection features crepe paper Lala Love and Pebbles Loves Me, which is very Valentine's, but you're going to see super easy. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get our 4 base cardstock. So I picked 2 red and 2 white. And they're gonna measure 3 inches by 6 inches. So whenever we fold them in half, they're gonna be the 3 by 3 inches cards. For our first card, we're just gonna pick the papers. You can pick any combination that you like. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut 2 squares. The first one is gonna be around 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. And then the second one, somewhere around 2.5 and 2.5 inches. And it's just how much of the paper you wanted to show. Next step is finding the embellishments. So for this collection, I'm gonna choose the ephemera from the Pebbles Loves Me, and I think that little cute circle tag is very pretty. So the first thing is I'm gonna do the inside of the card. So because this is a white cardstock, I'm gonna put some colors. So I'm gonna do red and then a white cardstock, and this one I just did a little bit of embossing on the edges, and I used just plain cardstock so it's easy to write on it, and they're about the same dimensions as the outer ones, so 2 3/4 the bottom one, and then 2.5, give or take. And as I said, you just pick how much of the paper you want to show, so you can do them smaller or bigger. But I think these are actually a good size for the cards. So once you glue them, and I'm just using a regular tape gun for this, then we're gonna start doing the front. So for these ones, I am gonna do vertical opening. And I think for these ones I wanted to do a little bit of ribbon, so I just went on my stash and I found these, which I think is like 3 1/8 inches, so it's kind of like in the thinner side, and I just pick a very pale pink because it really goes with that stripe paper. And for these ones, I'm just gonna first glue the upper square, and then I'm gonna put the ribbon on it. What I'm gonna use for the ribbon is just pretty much like the Scotch tape, and this one is very useful. So it's the 3 1/4 one, and you can use whatever you have on hand. You can use glue dots, you can use glue, you can use your tape gun, whatever you have. But for me, I think this is very easy to use. And I'm just gonna put it on top of the cardstock, the pattern paper that I put, and I'm just gonna make sure it fits on the design. So I did this because I want to hide the ribbon on the base layer cardstock. So this way, when I put all this together, it's not gonna show, and it's gonna look super pretty. So once I do this, for my embellishment for the circle tag, I always like to use foam dots, and it's just because it gives it a little bit of a dimension to the card, and it looks very nice, and it gives you pop to it. So whatever you have, is squares or circles, or even if you have foam sheets, just use double tape, and that's pretty much what you need. Then next I'm gonna think what else I'm gonna put on this little card. So I just got out also the ephemera from the Lala Love collection, and this one's a little bit big, so it's gonna be hard to find something for these mini cards, but I love glitter, so I'm gonna try the glitter. And the other thing that I found is one of the papers has these little cute cards, so for those I just fussy cut a couple of them, because I think the size is just perfect for these cards. And I'm just gonna see where I can put them on. I'm just gonna add a little bit of glue, and I'm just using my tape gun because I'm lazy, but you can also, same thing, use glue dots or whatever you have in hand, and just position them wherever you think it looks nice. So for me, I think I'm just gonna do it on this side, because they look pretty. And I think I'm just gonna forget about the glitter one because it's a little bit too much. Last thing is I just have like a couple pearls on hand, so I'm just gonna do pearls for this card because it's gonna give it a like really cute extra something. And I just find that sometimes if I have had the pearls for a long time, the glue is not as sticky as it used to be, so I just put a little bit of glue on them. And I'm just gonna do 2 of them. But same thing, you can use whatever you have on hand to get more embellishments. So I think I'm pretty much done with this one. I think, yeah, let's go next one. For the second one, I'm just gonna use the red cardstock base, and same thing, I'm gonna just do a vertical opening, and I really love this XOX from the La La Love collection. So I'm gonna cut same dimensions. It's around like 3 3/4 by 2 3/4. And then I found this square in the La La Love embellishments, which I think is gonna go perfect. And for this one, I'm gonna find some sort of little title. Oh, look at this little bird and the heart. Oh, and these love hearts. Yeah, it's gonna be perfect. You're gonna see what we're gonna do with this. So first thing is I'm just gonna stick the squares, the layer squares for the pattern paper. And what I want to try is that the love title shows. So I'm gonna cut it so then it kind of shows. You're gonna see what I mean. So it's about like 1/4 of an inch. So I'm just gonna cut 1/4 of an inch of my base layer. And then I'm gonna put that on top. So see, so what I mean is like, I wanna show like the bottom red part of it. So same thing, just a little bit of double tape with a glue gun. And perfect. And then I'm just gonna do the inside, and for this same thing, I just used like the plain white cardstock, and I just did a little embossing on the bottom. And I just use like the basic cardstock that I use for like the cards, so then it's kind of nice and thick and it's easy to write. And then I'm gonna put my embellishment, and I think I should have put this before I did the title, but it doesn't matter, you can just take it off and put this cute square. And then I'm just gonna put back the little love title on it, and it shouldn't make any difference. See, there we go, perfect. And then I'm gonna do my little bird with a heart, and same thing with the previous card, I'm just gonna use some of the foam dots to give it a little bit of pop, and so it shows like a little better. There we go. So you can be whatever you want for the card. I just found that this was so cute. And then let's see what else we can put on this one. From the Loves Me collection. And as I said, it's a little bit tough because they're like very little, so some embellishments might be too big. But as you know, I love glitter, so I think for this one I'm just gonna do the glitter heart. And this is just perfect. And the next thing, the next card, for this one I'm gonna do the white cardstock, and this one I'm just gonna open it like horizontally, and I use the XOX paper that I love for the previous one. I just think it's pretty nice. And from the stripe one that I used on the first one, the back part of it is also super pretty because it has like these cute little hearts. So I'm gonna use that one, and same dimensions, is 2 3/4, and then the other one is 2.5 inches. We just put them together, and as I said, this one opens horizontally. And then for the inside, because it's the white cardstock, I'm gonna do same as in the first one. I'm gonna do the red one to bring a little bit of color, and then up top the white so you can write on it. And as I did with the previous two ones, I just did a little bit of embossing on the edges with some hard embossing folder that I had. And then I found this cute kind of envelope with hearts embellishment, and I'm just gonna do the foam dots, put it on. Oh, I just love it. And then let's see what else we can put on this one. I think I'm gonna go let's see what we have on the embellishment stack. Rhinestones will also be a good idea, so let's see. We have the clear ones, we have red, we have black, and let's pick the embellishment first. So for this one, I think it's a little too big, but a little flower might do it. Now for this one, I like the flower, but I think the love little title that it has is a little bit too big, so I'm just gonna cut that one, and I'm gonna keep that because I might use it for something else. And then I'm just gonna find a good place to put on the card. I think on this side would be better. And if you find that something is a little bit too big, you can just cut it and stick it inside, and it's not gonna show that you cut it. But I think this one's just gonna be good like the way it is. Perfect. So once we have this one, let's see what else. I think the black we're gonna use the black rhinestones, so I'm just gonna use the bigger size that I have for these ones, and I'm just gonna do one on each side because I think it's gonna look very nice. And same as with the pearls, sometimes I find that they need a little bit of more glue. Perfect. Done. For our last one, we're gonna use the last white cardstock. Oh no, it's red. Sorry. We're gonna use the red one, and same thing. I'm just gonna do one that opens horizontally, and I'm just gonna use foam titles from the Pebbles collection, and I'm gonna do these two squares. The first one, I just did a plain white, and I just did some embossing on it. And this is because I'm going to use the titles, I think, and they're big. You don't need a lot for the layering, so it doesn't overpower. And then I use this kind of confetti paper. And I want to do the I love you one, so hopefully it's going to fit. They're just amazing because they're like glittery and so cute. So, nope, I'm just going to need to move them because as I said, they're a little big. So I think if I just put them like this, they're gonna perfect fit. There we go. And this one is not gonna need a lot more because as I said, like the foam letters, the titles are kind of big. And I think I'm just gonna use some of my fussy cut hearts that I used in the first one. Yep. And I'm just gonna start putting a little bit of glue on these ones and see how can I fit them. And as I said, you can put anything that you have. Use more of the embellishments, use pearls, rhinestones, anything that you have on hand. But for this kit, I just find that there's so many cute embellishments on it. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna need to put them one by one just to make sure they fit nicely. There we go. And still, this one needs something else, but let's see what we got now. No, this is gonna be too much. I still think it needs something else. Oh, rhinestones. I don't think so. Nope, I don't like the black either. This is gonna be a little toughy because it's already. But let's see how they all look and some inspiration is gonna come. Okay, I know what if I need some of the little hearts from the same foam letter collection. And here they are, the 4 cute cards. I'm just missing the inside of this one, so same thing, just white cardstock. with a little bit of embossing and just put it in. So here you have your 4 super cute mini Valentine's Day cards. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and like us. And thanks for watching.